I can do this without losing connection with the Osmo here. Okay, pause the video for just a moment. Yes, we normally have 3, and I am connected with a DJI Osmo, but we're trying a new recording format, which is in 1080p at 8 times normal frame rate. So it's called slow-mo, and we're going to give it a shot. Unfortunately, it doesn't also record voice. And the 4-minute video file here is like an hour long on that camera. That's what it records down to. So you're not going to get to see the Osmo until we get to the slow-mo action. I have not previewed it yet, so I don't know how it's going to look. But if this looks as good as I'm hoping it does, I will be wanting to pick up at least one more Osmo camera so I can get a regular view as well as a real slow-mo view. So, okay, let's get back. Unfortunately, I don't have audio off of the Osmo, so the audio is going to be hit and miss, unfortunately, and you're going to miss some of the stuff I was talking about in the video. So, phone. This is going to take some work. Come on. Alright, let's see how these on. Now we're adding a little extra light today. I don't know why I'm looking down there. Got this hooked up. Alright. Gonna make this quick. I'm gonna try the 4 different rounds that I have. Let me rearrange this camera a little bit, get it a little bit more out of the way, but still where we can see something. Gonna try in a different format, see if it'll work. Alright, we're going to make this dirty quick. I don't know how long the recordings are going to actually record today. So we're going to try and zipper the bottle, so to speak. We're going to start at the top, one of each round. We're going to start with, oh shoot. Instrument Hornets. Then we'll go with FX Hybrid. Barracuda Hunters, and H&N Heavy, something like that. So let's, and we're going to see what kind of penetration we get off each one. So here's the first one. Oh, shoot. Well, gotta go reset. Alright, I'm going to leave the one camera rolling. I'm not sure where we entered at. Alright, you can see it here. I'm going to restart my Osmo. As you can see right there's the tip. We entered here. That's the penetrator tip. Get this reset here. And hang it a little lower. Oh, we're dripping, we're dripping. Think we still can see everything okay. I gotta re-angle this a little bit. Oh, poop. That's it, knock things over, dummy. All right. Hopefully this time we can rapid succession them. Try a little bit more middle. Well, gee, I don't know what happened there. Tail will be in the tape for sure. Let's see if we can hit a moving target here. How good is Dave's there? I got it! Alright, let's go check tape. Round and round we go. Where she stops, nobody knows.